Hello and welcome to this online piano class. Today we're going to look at the basics of piano playing. You need to know your staff, your notes, your pitches. So we're going to talk about these. I'm going to use the book that is The Smallwood Piano Tutor by William Smallwood. This is a very popular piano tutor that most of us have used. There are others. However, I just want to use this one to explain a few things. So if you go to page, let's start with the preparatory lessons. Preparatory lesson for right hand only, that's page 5. So on page 5, you have this. Let me just show you the book. So this is what you have on page 5. Preparatory lessons. I'm going to look at just the right hand. So in these preparatory lessons, we're going to start. Now, this is a treble staff. So we have E, G, B, D, F, and the ledger line here is C. So we're going to start on this C. We're going to play on C the whole note. Okay, so we're going to play, and every time we play, we count 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. And the 4 counts will make what we call the semibreve, or the whole note. Now, let me take you to another screen. Just a minute. Just a minute. So let me take you to another screen where I have a software. This software is a music notation software, so I can use it to demonstrate how you can read and play the notes. Right, so the preparatory lesson for right hand only has the first note, which is on C. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take note, on the 88 key, that's 88, the piano with the 88 keys, the C4 is a middle C. We have C1, C2, C3, and C4. So here our C4 is a middle C. So when I press the middle C, which is this note, I press on the keyboard, you will see that the middle C, that the C4 is selected. So you have C4. And I count 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I've done is I've played C, D, E, F, G, then back to F, E, D, and C. So that is the right hand exercise I've just done. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, take note, when you are playing with your right hand, this is the finger number 1. The thumb is finger number 1. Then the forefinger is finger number 2, finger number 3, number 4, and then the little finger is finger number 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm using finger number 1 to play C, finger number 2 to play D, finger number 3 to play E, finger number 4 to play F, finger number 5 to play G, and then back. So this note you see here, there's an oval, the oval note. It doesn't have a stem, it's just an oval, a head or an oval note. It's called a semibrief or the whole note. Now I'm going to play this note, which is called the minim. Now we have a minim on C, D, E, F, G, and back to C. Okay, so this is how I'm going to play. 1, 2, 1. Now a minim takes 2 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each bar has 4 counts. The music is divided into bars, or what we call measures. The bar lines are these lines. So these lines you see here are called bar lines. The music is divided into bars or measures. Each bar or measure contains 4 counts. So if I have 2 counts plus 2 counts, it will be 4. A semibreve is 4 counts. And then the minim or the half note is 2 counts. Okay. Now the last one is 4 counts. So I extended this note up to 4 counts. This is the last on C. Now we're going to go to the next set of notes. So in this next set of notes, we're going to start with crotchets. The same C, D, E, F, G, and back to C. We're going to play with crotchets. A crotchet has a head, which is shaded, or a dark head, and then a stem. The note head is shaded, okay, or filled. In the case of the minim, the note head is not shaded or filled. So this is a crotchet. I'm going to play 1 count for each crotchet. So each crotchet will receive 1 count, or what we call 1 beat. Each crotchet will take 1 beat for 1 count. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is a whole note. So this one, I sustain it for 4 counts. It's a whole note. Then I go to the next preparatory lesson, the next, which is the quavers, or the 8th notes. So 8th notes receive half count. 2 8th notes will take 1 count. So if I play 2 notes, I should count 1. Or by the count of 1, I should play 2 quavers, or 2 8th notes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last note here is a whole note, so I will sustain this for 4 counts. So let me take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is 4. The quarter notes, sorry, the 8th notes, which is quavers. Just a minute. I'm going to play the 16th notes. or what we call the semi-periods. They are faster. So in the count of 1, we should play 4 semi-periods or 4 16th notes. So if I count 1, I should play 4. So I have something like this. 1. Okay, let me start again. 1. 1. So it's very fast. 1. Okay, so 1. Now there are 4 counts in the bar. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last is a whole note. So I have 1. Okay. So that is it.